Imagine standing at the epicenter of the greatest technological revolution in human history, where trillions of dollars in wealth will be created not by hype, but by the companies forging the actual iron, silicon, and intelligence powering AI. In 2026, for unstoppable forces are pulling ahead. Tesla, NVIDIA, Rambus, and TSMC. These aren't speculative bets. They're the foundational architects and builders of the AI economy. If you want to position your portfolio for what comes next, this breakdown could be one of the most important videos you watch all year. These four companies sit at the heart of this transformation. The software-hardware integrator pushing autonomy, the undisputed GPU king, the memory enabler for AI performance, and the world's most critical chip foundry. Together, they offer a powerful way to capture multiple layers of the AI stack with real 2026 momentum. Stock number 1, Tesla, TSLA. First, Tesla. Far more than an electric vehicle company. Tesla designs, manufactures, and sells EVs, energy storage, and is aggressively advancing full self-driving FSD software, Robotaxi, and humanoid robotics Optimus. Tesla matters profoundly in 2026 and beyond because it's transitioning from carmaker to an AI, robotics, and energy platform. Success in unsupervised autonomy and scalable robotaxis could unlock enormous new revenue streams, while energy storage addresses grid demands from AI data centers. Financially, Q1 2026 showed resilience with total revenue of $22.387 billion, up 16% YOY. Automotive revenues grew. Gross margins improved to around 21%, and non-GAAP profitability remained solid amid heavy investment in AI and future growth. Full-year trends reflect a maturing auto business with high-margin software and energy upside. Major catalysts include regulatory approvals and commercial rollout of unsupervised FSD and Robotaxi. Already launching in select cities, Optimus bot development, affordable vehicle models, and energy storage deployments. AI software improvements and data advantages compound rapidly. Long-term investment potential is transformative. If Tesla delivers on Robotaxi and Optimus at scale, it could evolve into a high-margin AI/robotics giant with energy as a stabilizer, offering asymmetric upside for believers in their execution. Tesla needs cutting-edge compute to train its AI. No company dominates that space like our next pick. Stock number 2, NVIDIA. NVIDIA Corporation is the leader in GPUs and accelerated computing platforms, powering AI training, inference, gaming, and professional visualization. Their full-stack solutions include chips, software, CUDA, and networking. In 2026, NVIDIA remains the indispensable pick-and-shovel provider for the AI boom. Their Blackwell platform and upcoming architectures are central to hyperscale AI factories worldwide, with demand far outstripping supply in many segments. Numbers are staggering. Fiscal Q1 2027 revenue hit a record $81.6 billion, up 85% YOY, with data center at $75.2 billion, up 92%. Full fiscal 2026 revenue reached $215.9 billion, up 65%. Gross margins remain exceptionally strong in the mid-70s. Ramp of Blackwell and future Rubin, sovereign AI initiatives, enterprise and inference growth, networking/InfiniBand expansion, and new verticals like robotics and edge. Software ecosystem lock-in accelerates adoption. CUDA software dominance creates massive developer and switching costs, combined with hardware leadership and full-stack offerings. Few competitors can match their performance and ecosystem. Long-term, NVIDIA is poised to capture a massive share of the multi-trillion-dollar AI infrastructure market. As AI becomes ubiquitous across industries, their position as a standard bearer offers compelling compounding potential. Powering NVIDIA's chips and the broader AI ecosystem requires world-class manufacturing, which leads us to the Foundry King. Stock number 3, TSMC. TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, is the world's largest contract chip manufacturer, producing advanced semiconductors for companies like NVIDIA, Apple, and AMD using cutting-edge process nodes. TSMC is indispensable in 2026 and beyond as the foundry backbone for AI chips. Almost every leading AI accelerator and high-performance processor relies on their advanced nodes 3 nanometers, 2 nanometers roadmap. Geopolitical importance and capacity expansion underscore their strategic role. Financial momentum is robust. Strong monthly and quarterly revenue growth driven by AI demand, with Q1 2026 and subsequent periods showing 30% plus YOY increases in key periods. Catalysts include insatiable AI chip demand, capacity ramps in the US and elsewhere for diversification, 2 nanometers technology leadership, and pricing power from constrained leading-edge supply. Unmatched manufacturing expertise, scale, technology roadmap, and customer trust. Building comparable fabs takes years and billions, creating enormous barriers. Long-term, TSMC benefits from secular semiconductor complexity and AI growth. As the Switzerland of chips with expanding global footprint, it offers durable, high-quality earnings power. Advanced chips need high-speed, high-capacity memory interfaces to perform at peak. Rambus bridges that gap. Stock number 4, Rambus RMBS. Rambus Incorporated develops high-speed memory interface chips, IP, and solutions for data centers, AI, and computing systems, enabling faster and more efficient data movement. Rambus matters in 2026 as AI workloads demand ever higher memory bandwidth and lower latency. Their DDR5 HBM and advanced interface technologies are critical for maximizing GPU/accelerator performance in large clusters. Q1 2026 results. Revenue $180.2 million, with product revenue $88 million, up 15% YOY. Strong cash generation and margins reflect healthy execution in a growing market. Guidance points to continued product momentum. AI server memory upgrades, new standards like HBM4 and faster DDR, design wins in AI platforms, and expansion into AI PC and other segments. Competitive advantage includes deep IP portfolio, specialized expertise in high-speed signaling, and product transitions, e.g., registering clock drivers. Relationships with memory makers and system OEMs provide stickiness. Competition in memory interfaces, dependency on AI CapEx cycles, customer concentration, and valuation that prices in strong growth. Share gains or losses in key segments can swing results. Long-term potential is tied to the memory bandwidth explosion in AI. As clusters scale and new architectures emerge, Rambus is well placed to benefit from the memory subsystem tailwinds. Tesla, NVIDIA, Rambus, and TSMC represent a balanced yet high-conviction way to play the AI megatrend. From end products and autonomy to GPUs, memory enablers, and foundational manufacturing. Each brings unique strengths, strong 2026 financials, and durable moats, though all carry execution, valuation, and macro risks. This is a long-term theme requiring patience and thorough research. Position sizes matter, and diversification is key. The infrastructure build-out still has years to run. If this analysis added value, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which of these you're most bullish on or what other AI stocks you're watching. Drop questions, I'll tackle them soon. Invest thoughtfully, focus on fundamentals, and I'll see you in the next video.